The Real Book of Real Estate, Real Experts. Real Stories. Real Life is a book written by Robert Kiyosaki, a financial educator and best-selling author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad. The book offers practical advice and real-life stories from successful real estate investors on how to build wealth through real estate investing. Kiyosaki starts the book by discussing the importance of financial education and how real estate can be a powerful tool for creating wealth. He then goes on to share the stories of several successful real estate investors, including himself, who have used real estate to build their wealth. Each chapter focuses on a different aspect of real estate investing, such as finding and analyzing deals, financing, and managing properties. Throughout the book, Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of taking action and learning from mistakes. He also stresses the importance of having a team of advisors and mentors to help guide you through the process of investing in real estate. In addition to providing practical advice and real-life examples, Kiyosaki also addresses some of the common misconceptions and fears that people have about real estate investing. He encourages readers to think outside the box and to not be afraid to take risks in order to achieve financial success. Overall, The Real Book of Real Estate is a comprehensive guide to real estate investing that is filled with valuable insights and practical advice from successful real estate investors. It is a good resource for anyone looking to build wealth through real estate investing.